What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer can buy. Today we're going to be discussing the OnePlus 8 Pro 5G. Everything you need to know. Stay tuned. So we're only a few weeks away until they announce the brand new lineup for the OnePlus 8. That includes the Lite, the regular OnePlus 8, and the Pro. So we're only going to discuss today is the OnePlus 8 Pro 5G and the OnePlus 8, the regular one. Both of them is going to come out with the 5G. In design wise, both of them is going to have multiple cameras. The Pro 5G is going to have 4 cameras in the back, and it's going to also have 1 camera in the front. It's going to be a punch hole. The screen for the Pro is going to be 6.7 according to leaks that has been around there. With the OnePlus, the regular version, is going to have 3 cameras, 1 in the front. It's going to also be a punch hole, and the screen supposedly is going to be 6.5. Both of them is going to have 120, supposedly. Both of them is going to have 120 hertz refresh rate, OLED. It's going to look beautiful. It's the design, I kind of like it. I seen a couple pictures. I'm going to put a couple pictures up here, how they're going to look. I think they look dope. So we're going to talk about what is going to come out under the hood, like what kind of processor. Most likely is going to have 865 Snapdragon. Both of them, like I said, is going to have 5G. They're going to support for the first time wireless charging, and I seen a couple leaks around there saying that the reverse wireless charging is going to be more than the Samsung S20. Right now the S20 is pushing, when it comes to reverse wireless charging, is 15 watts. So they're probably going to do 20, 25, who knows. It's going to also have Wi-Fi 6, 5.0, Bluetooth 5.0. We don't really know. They haven't said the battery capacity with both of them, but it's going to be around, for my estimate, I would say for the OnePlus 8 is going to be 4,200, and I'm going to say for the Pro is going to be, if it's not 5,000, it won't be far from it. Pricing is going to be, for the regular, is going to be, for the OnePlus 8 is going to be about $750, just because it has the 5G. That's going to boost up the price. Also for the 8 Plus, OnePlus 8 Pro version with the 5G also, because they're all going to come with 5G, is going to be around $850 to $900. My final thoughts with, should you get it? I think you should. If you up to a new device, it's gonna be dope. Usually it's gonna come out at, well, the last one came out in all the major services like
AT&T,
Verizon, Sprint. I'm missing another one. T-Mobile. There you go. T-Mobile was the big one when it came to the OnePlus lineup last OnePlus 7. So I think you should get it. More information is gonna come out. I will give you updated. I think it's gonna be a dope phone. I like how it looks. That punch hole, I want to know how big it's gonna be. It's gonna be the same size as the Note, or it's gonna be smaller, just like the S20 lineup. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.